Hello everyone. I'm Dhammik Alkadu. I'm heading the School of Computing and IT at the Sri Lanka Technological Campus, what is commonly known as SLTC. So I thought of talking to you about the degrees that we're offering and the kind of things that you need to look at when selecting a degree to follow. So when selecting a degree, you need to think about three main things in my view. First, you need to worry about what is it that you're going to learn, the curriculum, the subject matter that you're going to learn. And second point, you need to think about who is going to teach it for you. And third, how are they going to teach it, right? And then there's another very important point, especially when it comes to university education, because university education is not about just acquiring knowledge and skills. It's about building a personality, who is capable of taking up the career, taking up the challenges in the industry. So if I focus about SLTC now, so at School of Computing and IT, we offer 4 degree programs. One in software engineering, another in cybersecurity, data science, and cloud computing. So these are actually very emerging areas. You have a huge demand for these areas in the industry, and these curriculums are designed by industry experts, right? So just to give you an illustrative example, I'm not promoting this approach, by the way. So a student joining SLTC, they have the option of following our degree at SLTC for 1 year and then transferring themselves to Deakin. While I'm not promoting that, I encourage all of you to finish your degree, your bachelor's degree in Sri Lanka. What I want to highlight there is that Deakin is considering their first year program to be equivalent to SLTC's first year, right? So that is why you can do the first year here and then transfer yourself to Deakin, right? So I just wanted to highlight that, just to highlight the quality of the content that we have, the quality of the curriculum that is recognized by world leading universities uh, like Deakin, and there are a few others as well, right? And it's developed looking at the industry demands. It's developed so that we can create a graduate who would best fit the jobs that are there in the industry, that are there in the IT industry today, right? And then if I go to who is teaching this curriculum, we have a very young and enthusiastic, energetic team of lecturers, whom most of whom have PhDs, and they have recently come back after completing their PhDs. So they are sort of bringing in a wealth of knowledge from these foreign universities where they did their PhD. So you'll be lucky to be trained under lecturers of such caliber, right? And thirdly, how we're going to teach this now. SLTC has adapted this idea called technology enabled active learning, where the students are allowed to learn at their own pace. If you're not familiar, if you need more time for on a subject matter, the system will allow you to have it, right? You can spend a little bit more time on that and fully understand the subject content, right? So you can move at your own pace. Of course, there are some restrictions on this, but basically you can learn at your own pace, and we have a fully sort of a automated system that allows students to do this, right? And last but not least, when selecting a university, you really need to look at the other facilities which are provided by the university, because as I said earlier, university is where we build personalities who would lead the industry tomorrow, right? So you need to worry about that aspect as well, not just the technical know-how, not just the skills, the knowledge, but also what does it add to my personality, right? So SLTC is a residential campus. Most of the students get accommodation within the campus. It's 24/7, and you have number of societies and a number of active student bodies uh, who are doing a lot of activities that would build the character of a student, right? So you can take part in these because it's a 24/7 campus. You have accommodation within the campus, so you can take part in these activities. And the other most important thing is, in SLTC you have diversity. You have a music school, so you get to meet students who are studying music, who would look at problems in a different way. You get students from business school who would talk about how to do a business. You get people from engineering who would look at problems in a slightly another angle, if you like. So you get this different mix of students, which is going to add to your character, right? So that's all I wanted to share with you. So when selecting a university, look at these aspects and make a wise decision. And all the best for your future careers. Thank you.